Welcome to Nomadic Wanderer.
Hey folks, welcome to Nomadic Wanderer. Today we are here at Lalbagh to explore the place indoor. So first of all, I would like to say Happy Independence Day to everyone. See you inside the video. Guys, today we explored the park. Like we said, we explored the teams and all. So what I have seen here is like we went to the glass house for the first time, and the glass house was like 200 years old as per the mention over there. And the construction was really amazing. And inside there's like a lot of flower show have done. So you can see that in the picture now. Some of the foreigners over there.
Oh, 对，也是没事。
So how big did you guys have?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. How did you
From our master of the building. Yeah. Good luck.
So these people came from the Netherlands. One of my teachers are from the Netherlands, where like the Rian and like William. So it brings me memories back because of the Netherlands. When I heard of the Netherlands, I just remember those two people because they were my best teachers. And Mark, Karen, everyone. I miss you guys. Look at the video, it's too crowded, but we have tried to capture the best moment. 45 degrees.
Guys, can you guess the age of this tree? Look at the size of it. It's very huge. were sitting and thinking about how to do the next vlog part and all the stuff, and all of a sudden we hear like Vande Mataram from behind. So the person who's sleeping inside me, the patriotic guy, just popped up all of a sudden. I forgot about everything. Just follow the sound and then just reached over there. And I started chanting Vande Mataram and following this. That's a kind of a boost of energy it came today. And I just went with the crowd and with a group of these people, and then chanting Vande Mataram and just going ahead. And these people are really cool. Like it's like all of a brotherhood in this video.
So we met a family, the most patriotic family today, and these people like dressed completely in the costume of Bharat Mata.
Going a metro, but surprised there are a lot of crowd as if the Black Friday sale is happening.
So finally we came out of the Lalbagh. Too much crowd and too much traffic and all, but it's kind of okay. So please do like, subscribe our channel.